A Simple Guide to Chinese Sentences Structure. Part 2. Now, let's see a couple of simple sentence examples. The subject, predicate, and object are the major components of every sentence. Firstly, 我爱他. I love him. This sentence is made from subject, verb, and object. 我只爱他. I only love him. This sentence is made from subject, adverb, verb, and object. The following are slightly more complicated sentence examples. 我只爱我记忆中的他. I only love my memories of him. The components include subject, adverb, verb, attributive, and object. 我以前爱过他. I loved him before. It's made of subject, adverb, verb, complement, and object. Let's look at a simple Chinese sentence in more detail. Break down each component and see how to use them. The following sentence shows all 6 components in the correct sentence order. 定语、主语、状语、谓语、补语、定语、宾语. You can separate each component using mathematical equations to help you remember each part of the sentence. Here are all the symbols. We will look at an example later about how to use these symbols to understand Chinese sentence structure. In the next video, we'll talk about more examples for learning Chinese simple sentence structure. Don't forget to like this video. And see you next time.